students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain CBSE class 8 friction question and answers. ఓకే, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయగలరు. Now let us go to the today's question and answers topic. First question, that is sixth one. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. In this question they are asking that why sportsmen should use shoes with spikes. Let us come to the answer. Sportsmen use shoes with spikes because these shoes give them a better grip while running. This better grip gives to increase the friction. This is because the force of friction between the shoes and the ground increases with the help of spikes in the shoes. So that's why to increase the friction to run fast, sportsmen use shoes with the spikes. So sportsmen use shoes with the spikes because these shoes give them a better grip while running. This is because the force of friction between the shoes and the ground increases with the help of spikes in the shoes. Let us go to the next question. Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same floor. Who will have to apply a larger force and why? In this question, they gave Iqbal and Seema are two friends, and Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box. So on the same floor, these two friends are pushing the boxes. Which one have to apply a larger force and why? Come to the answer. Force of friction arises because of interlocking of irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. Friction nothing but friction is caused by the two irregularities of the bodies in contact. When a heavy object is placed on the floor, the interlocking of irregularities on the surface of the box and the floor becomes strong. So this is because the two surfaces in contact are pressed harder. Hence, more force is required to overcome the interlocking. Thus, to push the heavier box, Seema has to apply a larger or greater force than Iqbal. Why? Because Iqbal has to push a lighter box. Seema has to push a similar heavier box. For heavier box, we have to apply more force. For lighter box, we have to apply very less force. So, who will have to apply a larger force? Seema. Why? Why? Because the two surfaces in contact are pressed harder. Hence, more force is required to overcome the interlocking. Thus, to push the heavier box, Seema has to apply a greater force than Iqbal. Okay. Next, come to the next question. Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. Let us come to the answer. Friction comes into play when irregularities present in the surfaces of two objects in contact get interlocked with each other. In sliding, the time given for interlocking is very small, hence interlocking is not strong. Therefore, less force is required to overcome this interlocking. Because of this reason, sliding friction is less than the static friction. Sliding friction nothing but just begins to slide. Starting nothing but the friction is at rest. So, the friction comes into play when irregularities present in the surfaces of two objects in contact get interlocked with each other. In sliding, the interlocking is not strong. So, it is very less force is required to overcome this interlocking. Because of this reason, sliding friction is less than the static friction. Next, come to the next question. Question number 9. Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and foe. Now, in this question, they are asking that give examples for friction is both a friend and foe. Now, let us go to the answer. Advantages of friction. Nothing but friction is a friend. Here, disadvantages of friction. Nothing but friction is a foe. So, first one, we are able to walk because of friction. Friction between the tip of the pen and a paper allows us to write. Without friction, we can't walk. Without friction, we can't write. Here, disadvantage. Tires and shoes wear out because of friction. If you are using tires and shoes, after few months they will wear. So that's why tires and shoes wear out because of friction. The second one is friction between the different parts of machines produces heat. Friction produces heat. For example, by rubbing of two hands, now we are developing the heat. So this can damage the machines. So these two are the disadvantages of friction. That's why friction is a foe. Here advantage, we can't ride without friction, we can't walk without friction. So friction is a friend. By these two examples, we are telling that friction is a friend. By these two examples, we are telling that friction is a foe. So that's why advantages are there and also a disadvantage also there by using the friction. These two are the examples of advantages and disadvantages of friction. Next, go to the next question. Explain why objects moving in fluids must have special shapes. Now let us come to the answer. When a body moves through a fluid, it experiences an opposing force which tries to opposes its motion through the fluid. Fluid nothing but liquids and gases. This opposing force is also known as drag force. So this frictional force depends on the shape of the body. Particular shape, it depends upon the particular shape. Aeroplanes, birds are having special shape. So by giving objects a special shape, the force of friction acting on it, it can be minimized. So hence it becomes easier for the body to move through the fluid. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.